Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you if a Wi-Fi owner can see your browsing history. All right, let's begin. Yes, a Wi-Fi owner can see your browsing activity when you are connected to their network. This works through the router, which logs network traffic from all connected devices. By accessing the router's IP address through a browser, the owner can open the admin panel and view connected devices along with activity logs. Even if you delete your browser history, the router may still store records of visited websites. On Huawei routers, you can access this by logging into the router dashboard, going to the Advanced tab, selecting Maintenance, and then opening user logs. This section shows network activity and device connections. To protect your privacy, enable built-in privacy features on your device. For example, iPhone users can use Private Relay. Another effective method is using a VPN. A VPN encrypts your traffic and routes it through secure servers, preventing the router from seeing your actual browsing activity. So that's basically how a Wi-Fi owner sees your browsing history. That's it for this video. Thanks.